Function arguments. It means passing values to a function using arguments. There are two types of function arguments. First one is keyword arguments. Second one is positional arguments. Let's see keyword arguments. Keyword arguments means passing values by their names. Let's take an example. Def space grid of arg1, arg2 colon, press enter. It automatically takes indentation. Print of f within double quotes within curly braces arg1 space within curly braces arg2. Press enter. Press backspace in keyboard. Greeting equal to input of name equal to input of greet of arg1 equal to greeting comma arg2 equal to name. Let's run it. I am giving input as hi, press enter, jog, press enter. See, the output is hi jog. Possible mistakes in keyword arguments. In this example, I am removing arg1 equal to greeting. Let's run it. I am giving input as hi, press enter, jog, press enter. See, the output is type error. When anything is missing in calling a function, it shows some error like this. Let's see positional arguments. Positional arguments means values can be passed without using argument names. Remember, these values get assigned according to their position. Order of the arguments matters here. In this example, I am giving greet of greeting comma name. Let's run it. I am giving input as hi, press enter, jog, press enter, see. The output is hi jog. In this example, let's interchange the order of positional arguments. Greet of name comma greeting. Let's run it. I am giving input as hi, press enter, jog, press enter, see. The output is jog hi because we changed the order of positional argument. Possible mistakes in positional arguments. In this example, I am calling greet function without positional arguments like greet of. Let's run it. I am giving input as hi, press enter, jog, press enter, see. The output is type error. That means greet function missing two required positions. Default arguments. Default arguments means when we missed arguments while calling a function, it takes that default argument values. Here in this example, I am giving default argument as arg1 equal to within double quotes hi, arg2 equal to within double quotes was while defining function. Now I am calling greet function without passing arguments. Let's run it. I am giving input as hello, press enter, jog, press enter, see. The output is hi was because we did not mention any arguments while calling the greet function. Now I am passing positional argument that is greeting while calling greet function. Let's run it. I am giving input as hello, press enter, jog, press enter, see. The output is hello was. Here hi is changed to hello because we given positional argument as greeting while calling the greet function. Now I am giving name as positional argument while calling greet function. Let's run it. I am giving input as hello, press enter, jog, press enter, see. The output is jog was because we given name as positional argument while calling greet function. Now I am passing arg2 equal to name as keyword argument while calling greet function. Let's run it. I am giving input as hello, press enter, jog, press enter, see. The output is hi jog. Here instead of was, we get jog because we mention in greet function arg2 equal to jog as keyword arguments. Now I am removing arg2 value that is was. Let's run it. See, the output is syntax error. That means non-default argument follows default arguments. Here, non-default argument is arg2 and the default argument is arg1. Now, let's take an example. In this example, I am giving non-default argument that is arg2 first. Second is default argument that is arg1 equal to within double quotes hi while defining greet function. Now I am passing keyword argument that is arg2 equal to name while calling greet function. Let's run it. I am giving input as hello, press enter, jog, press enter, see. The output is hi, jog. Passing immutable objects. Let's take an example. Def space increment of a colon, press enter. It automatically takes indentation a plus equal to 1. Press enter. Press backspace in keyboard. A equal to int of input of increment of a, print of a. Let's run it. I am giving input as 5. Press enter. See, the output is 5. Even though variable names are same, they are referring to two different objects. Changing the value of the variable inside the function will not affect the variable outside. Passing mutable objects. Let's take an example. Def space add item of list x colon press enter. It automatically takes indentation list x plus equal to within square brackets 3. Press enter. Press backspace in keyboard. List A equal to within square brackets 1 comma 2. Add item of list A. Print of list A. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items 1 comma 2 comma 3. Compound assignment operator for list refers to the same object. Let's take an example without compound assignment operator. Here in this example, I am changing list x equal to list x plus within square brackets 3. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items 1 comma 2. When we not use compound assignment operator, list referring to two different objects. Let's discuss about another topic. Default args are evaluated only once when the function is defined, not each time the function is called. Let's take an example. Def space add item of list x equal to empty square brackets colon press enter. It automatically takes indentation list x plus equal to within square brackets of 3 print of list x. Press backspace in keyboard add item of. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items 3. Now I am giving add item of within square brackets 1 comma 2. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items 1 comma 2 comma 3. Again I am giving add item of. Let's run it. See, the output is list having items 3 comma 3 because as I said earlier, default args are only evaluated once.